we are going to learn how to multiply any number by 1,000. When you multiply a number by 1,000, every digit in that number moves 3 places to the left. This is because 1,000 is made up of 3 zeros. After the digits move, 3 zeros go at the end to fill the empty columns. Let's work through the first example together. 8 times 1,000. The 8 in the ones place moves 3 places to the left, past the tens and hundreds column and into the thousands column. We now have 3 empty columns, hundreds, tens, and ones, so we write 3 zeros. So the answer is 8,000. Now let's look at the second example. 63 times 1,000. This number has 2 digits. All digits move 3 places to the left, and the hundreds, tens, and ones get replaced with zeros. Note, there are 3 zeros in the number 1,000, so the answer is 63,000. Now for the third example. 516 times 1,000. This number has 3 digits. All digits move 3 places to the left, and the hundreds, tens, and ones get replaced with zeros. So the answer is 516,000. Now it's your turn.